you. I hope that all our students are well. Today I am going to take a class for you. At first I welcome all my students. Before taking my class, I am going to introduce. I am Sudarshan Chakraborty, Senior Teacher English, Harper High School, Raujan, Chattogram. Dear student, today I am going to take for class 10 subject English for today, Unit 5, Lesson 3. I hope that all our students be attentive in my class. Dear student, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? And this is a national memorial. And where is it? It is situated. It is situated at Sabar. There is a national flag beside the national memorial. And why is it built? It is built for the martyr of the Liberation War. Dear student, look at the picture. This is the picture Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman in 1971, 7 March. The father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, delivered an important speech because he thought that we are Bengalis, our tradition and culture are very different from the people of Pakistan. At that moment, the people of this country are fully deprived from the state facilities. So he thought that we have to struggle to free our country. After finishing his speech, most of the people at that time took part in the Liberation War. Dear student, teacher, freedom fighter, and they sacrificed their lives to free our country. They struggled for 10 months. So as a result, we have gained freedom. So now you can easily understand what is today's lesson. And today's lesson, the Independence Day. Learning outcome. After studies this lesson, we will be able, number 1, read and understand the text. Number 2, talk about Independence Day. Number 3, understand new word. Number 4, writing a paragraph. Dear student, there is a special significance of this day because the day began at 31 gunshot. Early in the morning, our Honorable President and Honorable Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, placed floral wreath at the National Museum at Sabar. Dear student, these are defense in our country. All our soldiers in our country took mentally prepared to take part display. They are trying to entertain the people of our country. So, after observing this slide, I hope that you can easily find out the answer of this question. Now I am going to ask five questions. Number 1, what does the country witness at the National Parade Ground this day? Number 2, how is 26 March celebrated every year in the country? Number 3, what is remembered on this day? Number 4, who take part in the National Parade Ground? Number 5, who offers flower wreath in the National Museum on behalf of the nation? Dear student, I hope that you are all can easily answer of this question, because I have already showed many slides about the topics. Now I have find out some keyword from these topics, and you have to find out the meaning of the keyword. There are 7 keywords in the 7 important keywords in these topics. Suppose number 1, festival. Festival means a day or period of celebration. Number 2, struggle. A struggle means fight. Number 3, freedom fighter. Freedom fighter means a person who fought for the independence of the country. Number 5, alike. Alike means in a similar way. Number 5, spectator. A spectator means a person who is watching an event. Number 6, display. Display means act of performing skill. Number 7, illuminate, to decorate a building with bright light. Dear student, I hope that you understand the meaning of the keyword. Next, I am going to show some picture. We can see that there are 2 kinds of pictures in the display, and one is female student and other is male student, and they are mentally ready to take part in the display. In Bangabandhu Stadium, Bangladesh Scout, Girls Guide and student take part in various displays to entertain the spectator. Dear student, there is a group work. Now I am going to divide my class into 2 groups. One group Karnafuli and other group Halda. Karnafuli group will do the answer of the question. Number 1, how should we observe the Independence Day? And Halda group will answer of this question. If you are young, then what would you do? For this purpose, I have given a 5 minutes. Next, I am going to check your answer. Dear student, now I am going to evaluate from you. For this purpose, I have given 5 choose the best answer. There are 4 options each of the question, and you have to find out answer of this question. Number 1, our biggest festival is number A option Pohila Boishakh, number B Victory Day, number C Independence Day, number D 21 February. Now you have to find out which is the best answer of this question. Number 2, the Independence Day is celebrated with, there are 4 options. Number A, huge solemnity and fervor. Number B, zeal and fatality. Number C, emotion and pride. Number D, fame and fatality. Number 3 question, the celebration of Independence Day begins with number A, procession. Number B, gunshot. Number C, pledging red at National Memorial. Number D, the display of parade by defense forces. 4 question, the National Museum of Bangladesh is number A, Chaba. Number B, Gazipur. Number C, Mymensingh. Number D, Savar. Last question, what is the positive form of biggest? There are 4 options. Number 1, B. Number B, bigger. Number C, biggest. Number D, big. Dear student, for this purpose, I have given 10 minutes and you will answer of this question. Now, I am going to give you, there is a homework. Write a paragraph about Independence Day. You write the paragraph about Independence Day within 10 sentences. Next class I am going to check your answer. Dear student, finish my class. You know that the coronavirus is going to be dangerous day by day. So it is your duty, you have to wear masks, and at the same time you have to wash your hand after 15 minutes. You have no right to go out without wearing masks, and stay home, stay safe. Finish my lesson, and if there is any problem, you share your idea with me. I shall try to solve your problem. Thank you.